I wish like life and their struggles could just go back to kindergarten when homework was 2 plus 2 and the only drama was who stole my crayons.
I saw Halle do it, thought it looked good, then I did it.
The plot thickens. It was Halle.
Now watch me whip, now watch me now watch me whip, now watch me nana.
Good morning.
Mom, I wish like life and their struggles could just go back to kindergarten when homework was 2 plus 2 and the only drama was who stole my crayons.
What?
That would be nice. Pancakes for breakfast. Pyong. Dang. There's a stack of pancakes, yo.
They're really thin, so I eat a lot of them. That's just my way.
Yeah, right.
Just kidding.
I wouldn't put it past you to try, but I don't think you could do all that.
I could. You know I could.
Swim day at school today. What?
I'm going back then.
You're gonna get your swimsuit and stuff?
Should I do my new swimsuit or my old?
New one.
I like my new one because it has flowers.
I need a new
I'd
one.
go your new one
Let's
then.
go swimsuit shopping, huh?
Something, 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 something. Maddie, what's going on today? We're going to the pool. The pool. We're going to the Payson pool. I'm not gonna do my hair because it's gonna get messed up anyways. But Maddie has to brush hers because it's all insane. It's amazing. And you got shit in your eyeball.
Well, hello everybody, welcome to the vlog. I'm on my way up to the swim activity that my kids are at. I get a chaperone. It's gonna be like 80 degrees outside, yay! So we're gonna be, let's go to that, it'll be fun. I'll see if I can get footage of them. It's a school activity, so I will try, but it'll be on my phone. So let's go swimming. Ready, set, go. kids had fun at their swim thing. And I got there actually an hour before they were supposed to get there. I took note of the time, didn't write it down, and then I got 2 conflicting times from my kids. So I ended up being there at noon and their school got there at 1. So, but I was able to talk to a friend of mine, and then I was also there to get the whole coming in the door because they couldn't let our school in until the other schools were out. So that was fun. It was fun. We had a good time. Nobody got hurt and they all had fun. Jack came home with me. The other kids are coming home on the bus. Did you have fun? Good. So while I was having my after school discussion with Myli, Jack was just in the background rummaging for food or whatever. He started talking to me and he had this in his hand. Do you know what that is? That is a spoonful of frosting. Do you see the red on his lips? Yeah, he was going at a spoonful of frosting for a snack. And I said, oh, no. You cannot just eat frosting with a spoon. You can't. You may want to, but it's not the best of ideas, right?
Unless you just got dumped.
No, even then. So we're making impromptu cupcakes so that he can still have the frosting that he put his mouth on, but it's not a spoonful, it's on a cupcake. Hi, Myli.
You guys talking about eating frosting?
Yeah.
I do that all the time.
It was you!
What did I do?
You did it! It was your influence.
Okay,
That's right
no,
word.
I saw Halle do it, thought it looked good, then I did it.
The plot thickens. It was Halle. Next thing Halle's gonna say, it was Maddie. I saw Maddie do it. Then who taught Maddie? You did?
So it all
You started the whole thing? Go. It's a roundabout way of saying we're making cupcakes now.
There she is.
Lazel. I said that.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Cooking dinner. There she is.
It's doing
What you cooking, Mom?
Cream of wheat.
I think this might be an odd meal for people.
It probably is.
I'm not really sure normal. How many of you guys eat this? 1, know what it is. 2, eat it. It is cream of wheat. We're having breakfast for dinner because Dad's usually gone to work when they eat dinner and I don't usually get cream of wheat, and I like cream of wheat. Breakfast, sorry.
Yeah.
So.
It's also called farina. It's creamy wheat farina.
Oh.
So that might be, I don't know, you might know that mean better.
Oh. But it's good.
It is good.
I like it. And our family, we'll have to show you, we eat it differently. It was inherited from Dad's side of the family. We'll show you how we eat it. All right, what's the magical family technique? Jack's doing it.
So, you get a spoonful of cream of wheat, put it on your toast.
Oh, nice. Are you doing that too, Halle? What did you? You're doing it too?
Both ways.
And raisins. Yeah, what did you put in yours, Hal?
Sugar.
Just sugar and milk? No raisins?
Oh,
Yay, cream of wheat, and they love it.
We were here at the church doing a compass course for the Scouts. And the clouds are fantastic. If you guys can see them, they're beautiful.
Look at the storms rolling in, guys.
Arms are shaky.
Look at over there.
Oh dang. Storms are coming, guys. The storm is coming. It's here. No. Oh, I felt a raindrop.
2 more days of school.
No!
Only 2 more days, and it's over. And you'll be that much older. Uh-oh. These guys both got a little bit of sunburn at the pool.
yeah, a little bit.
Whoa, whoa.
Sure.
Oh, come on now, hey. It hurts.
And then I got bit by a bug.
Chuck already got lotioned up.
Look at my bite.
I got hurt.
When we put some powder.
We have made it back from Scouts and we are lounging on the couch. Yes! It is time for bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming over today. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and commenting on our videos. We really do appreciate it, and we love you. Be the good, and we'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Guys.
Now watch me wet. Now watch me now watch me wet. Now watch me now watch me sting me. Now watch me move. Now watch me Superman.